When we upload videos, for getting instant notifications, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Shonag Recipes with me, Chef Shonag.
In today's episode, I am going to prepare pinwheel samosa. This is the other variation of preparing samosa. So come on, let's get started and check out the process. Take a pan, add required amount of oil. Once oil get heated, add turmeric powder, add jeera, add ginger garlic paste, add finely chopped green chilies, add finely chopped onions. Now add half cup of green peas, add required amount of salt, add red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala. Give a good mix. Add 3 medium sized boiled potatoes. With the help of the smasher, smash it. After smashing, give a quick mix. Add finely chopped coriander and turn off the flame. For preparing samosa, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Add 1/4 cup of suji rava. Add little amount of salt. Add little amount of sugar. Add few drops of oil. Mix everything with the help of the hand. Add water gradually and make a tight dough. Once dough was ready, rest it for 15 minutes. Now start rolling vertically. Now spread the prepared potato mixture all over. Now start rolling from one side. For combining the edges, take 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour and add little amount of water and make a smooth paste. Now join the edges with the help of this paste. Now with the help of the knife, cut the samosa. Now transfer these samosas into a plate. For brushing, take all-purpose flour, add little amount of salt. Mix everything with the help of the whisker. Add gradually water and make a smooth paste. Apply this mixture on both sides. Take little amount of oil for shallow fry and drop this samosa one by one into hot oil. Flip both sides and fry it on a low flame. Once samosa get fried, now transfer the samosas into serving plate. That's all. Try this recipe and give your valuable feedbacks in the comment section. In next episode, I am going to prepare mushroom biryani. Don't miss it. When we upload videos for instant notification, subscribe to Chef Shaunak Recipes and click on the bell icon.